Hello everyone. So today we are going to do a video on how to do keyword research using AI. If you want it, if you have any local business, for example, if you're having your personal local business, or if you wanted to do a Google Ads campaign for your client's business, then you wanted to do keyword research, right? Because that is the first step for any. If you wanted to create a Google Ads campaign, the keyword research is the first step, right? So how to do this keyword research using the AI prompt? Now, let's take an example for today's video that this is the Firefly Spa. This is not my client. Okay, this is not my client. I have just searched it on the Google and I like their website. So I have taken this as a example for today's video. So this Firefly Spa is in San Diego, USA. Okay, so let's do the keyword research for that one. Now I have created this prompt over here. I will explain this prompt and I will also put this prompt in the link in the description. You can check that this prompt in the description. Now the business type, insert your business type. Now this is wellness spa. So basically this is wellness spa. Where it is, what is the location? It's located in San Diego, California, USA. Okay. Target services, insert services. Now, if you see here, they have different services: massage, facials, acupuncture, and more services like this waxing services, lashes, everything. But I'm for today's video, I'm going to take this as an example: massage, facials, and acupuncture. So let's massage, facials, and acupuncture. Okay. To whom you wanted to target? I wanted to target women's. Do you, what is the radius? I wanted to go 15 miles San Diego and San Diego City. So basically I wanted to target San Diego City and I wanted to go 15 miles around the San Diego. What is the website URL? Now this is the website URL. So I'm going to type this URL over here. What is the monthly budget? If you have it, you can write it. Like I'll put $500. So what is your primary goal? Whether you wanted to track the phone calls, you want the phone calls, form fills, in-store visits. Right now, my intention is form fills. I want people to submit the form. Regarding to competitors, if you are knowing the competitors, you can write the competitors. If you don't know the competitor's name, then you can mention I don't know. You can research it. Okay, you don't know and you just want to research. You want AI to research it, and if you want, you can mention. If you know the competitor's name, you can mention it. Generate the following. The first one is high intent buyer keywords. Keep it as it is. Keywords indicating immediate purchase intent. The second keyword set we want is service specific keywords. Separate keywords by service category. We have already mentioned the services. Okay. Include location modifiers in each variation. Like our location is San Diego. So if you're mentioning any services, mention this location. Okay. The local keywords like near me, service and city and all that. So these are all local keywords. Emergency keywords. First check whether this business warrants any urgency keywords, whether this business is having any urgency keywords or not. If yes, include emergency, same day, 24-hour, 24 by 7 hour urgent fast service. And if you wanted to delete anything, you can delete it. For example, you're not giving any 24 by 7 service, then you can delete it. But I will just keep it as it is because here I have mentioned that please check on their website whether they provide any urgency keywords or not. So let the AI research it. Okay. And if you're very much sure that okay, I don't provide this urgent service and all that, then you can remove it. Otherwise, keep it as it is because anyways, AI is going to research. Okay. Now the next one is long tail keywords, high converting, low competition search terms. Basically, the long tail keywords are those which are very big, which are having very high intention. Maybe the search volume will be low as compared to the general keywords. But generally, these keywords are very high intent keywords. So I've mentioned this keyword set as well. And the next one is the competitor keywords, the potential competitor brand searches. Okay. Now copy this, Control A, Control C, go to the Chat GPT and paste it. Hit enter. See, the high intent buyer keywords. If you see here, all the keywords are related to services. Massage, all the keywords are related to massage. Facials, facials. Acupuncture, acupuncture. Spa and wellness, These are this one because this is what we have provided in services section, massage, facials, and acupuncture. So they have mentioned all these services high intent buyer keywords. Now the service specific keywords, core, massage keywords, core, massage, Santiago and all that. Service specific keywords are generally a location because here we have added, please add location modifiers. Here we didn't mention the location as a modifier, but here we have mentioned the location modifier. So you will, here you will get all the keywords related to location. Here also they have mentioned the location also. So if you want, you can remove this location and make it as a general keywords also. But these are high intent keywords. That's the reason the AI has mentioned location. But if you feel that okay, I have already this keyword is present in service specific keywords, you can remove the Sandigo. You can just mention best massage spa because the Sandigo keywords already been here. Okay, so you can modify it, but these are all the general outline which AI has given you. Okay, these are all core, high intent, specialized keyword. In facial keywords, also these are core keywords, very high intent keywords and specialized one. Local keywords, these are near me keywords. Okay, these are like city mention keywords. So these are all the location related keywords. Emergency. Recommendation now, do not prioritize. Massage, facials, and acupuncture generally do not generate meaningful emergency searches. So avoid emergency massage, 24-hour massage, urgent facial, and all that. So I told you that AI will research it. So AI has told you that don't mention any emergency and 24 hours. So we can remove that one. And it has given these keywords that it's a limited and urgency keywords, but mention same day, today, last minute, same day. Because generally, if you go in the spa, we will not use any emergency, right? We will use like today or same day. That's the reason AI has mentioned that don't use any emergency keywords. Now, next one is the long tail keywords. These are all long tail keywords, okay? And these are all competitors keywords. See, we have not mentioned any competitors in our prompt because we don't know who were the competitors, but AI has researched all the competitors. So you can take this all competitors and you can mention as a keywords in Google Ads campaign. Okay. And it has gone beyond that one, that competitors keyword, karma, relaxation, spa massage, use spa massage. But if you want, you can just remove this all and take only the competitors and mention as a keywords in Google Ads. If you don't want this as like elaborative, more like elaborative version of this competitor keywords, you can just remove this and you can just mention the competitor's name in Google Ads. So this is like recommended match types. They have mentioned all the match types and all that, but I generally feel that you think like which one will be the good match type. If you want, you can start with first phrase match, see the results for some days, and then you can switch to the broad match. Okay. So this was the keyword research using AI, and I will put the AI prompt in the description.